So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of the taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon. And now you want to click on select a sound output. Make sure that as your output device, you have your laptop speakers selected. If you have multiple output devices, you want to try all of them. Make sure that the volume mixer is turned up. Now you want to go back. Make sure that your sound is also turned up and that this is not muted. See if that works for you. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in SND VOL. Click on it. And now once you run this, make sure that your speakers are not muted and that you have this turned up. And make sure that the application you're trying to use is also not muted and that you have it turned up. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Click on yes to run the diagnostics. You want to go through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that fixes your problem.